Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel and I am your host Donna. Today I am going to make a fridge magnet which will be out of clay, and here are my supplies for today's project. The very first thing is this wooden base which is round in shape and it is of 8 cm in diameter. I have taken this ribbon which is of 2/7 of an inch by 9 feet. These two are the figures which I have made out of clay. I have used air dry clay, and whatever I will be using today will be given in the description box. These two figures I have got from these two silicone molds. Here I have got a black distressed ink, and this one is my coffee color. Here I have got bronze and this one is copper. Now since I am showing all the colors, I would like to show you all the colors I will be using today. This one is metallic gold and these two are metallic green, but the shades are different as you can see. This is black acrylic color. I have got a paint brush, and here is an ink blending tool for the distressed ink. Here I have got a glue and a scissor. Here I have got a magnet. These are very small star shaped die cutouts which I will be using for today's project. And here I have got 2 scrap papers which I will be needing as a base. Hot glue gun. Last but not the least, this Mod Podge. This is of matte finish and this is a water-based glue. And here comes my Acrylic Sealer. This is of gloss finish and this acts as a varnish. I have got this from Walmart, but you can get from any of the craft stores. The very first thing that I will be doing is I will start covering up this wooden base with these two papers. One will go in the front and the other one will go at the back. So for that I will be using glue. Now I will be cutting according to the size. So here, as you can see, I have covered the wooden base with these two papers, one at the front and the other one at the back. So this one I will be making the front of the magnet. I am taking a dry brush and I am slowly running the Mod Podge all over. I will be applying on both the sides. Now moving on to the next part, I will start applying color to this clay figures. I have taken a plate so that my color doesn't spread onto somewhere else. I have dried out my brush completely. The first coat I will be using black. Now leaving this one here, I need to give it some time so that the base color gets totally dry. Cleaning my brush and again drying it completely. Now I will be moving on to the next figure. For this one, I will not be using black as a base coat, but I will start with the dark shade of green. As for this figure, I will be needing 2 of this. So I have actually made one of these. Now for this, I will be using copper first to paint this heart. Now for the body, I will be using bronze. Now to give it an antique look, I will give some strokes of this bronze color. Just to the protruding parts. And this is done. I am not doing anything else. Now for this figure, I will be applying another top coat of deep green. Making my brush dry. Going on to the next coat, here I will be applying light green color. I will be giving some nice strokes and nothing else. The brush should not have too much of this top color. So my intention was to give it a dual tone. The brightest color has gone to the dented portions below and the lighter shade is on the top part. So that was all my intention. Now here for this one I have given some golden shade. Here also I will be doing the same. Little bit I have taken the color at the tip of my brush and just dry brushing. Just brushing it here and there. So the next part will be vernishing. Keeping this to a sides because burnish will need some time, more than 24 hours to get it dry completely. I will be keeping this aside as of now and I will be concentrating on these three. As I have done this beforehand, this has already been varnished and I have used the same technique, the one I have showed in the video. So here my Mod Podge has not dried completely and since I tried to take it out, some part has got torn. So still I will be considering the front part, as I mentioned that this one will be my front. So for that, here I will be using my distress ink. This one is of coffee. Taking it and the ink blending tool, I will start applying towards the edge. Little bit like this. Now I will start applying glue and start adhering the figures one by one. I will be decorating it little bit with this tiny stars here and there. The decoration is done. Now taking my black distress ink, I will start applying towards this edge. Now at the back, I will be using this fridge magnet with the help of hot glue gun. And then I will be using this ribbon to attach on top. I will be folding it like this because I want this too in the front. Now I would like to make a bow on top of it. The measurement is 29.5 centimeter. Isn't it looking pretty? Now at the back, I have decided to add one sentiment. It is written handmade from the heart. And now my project is done. Final look of this fridge magnet is like this. I have trimmed down this part of the ribbon a little bit. And lastly, I have made this decorative envelope for this fridge magnet. And this is ready to go. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.